Shaanxi RoadBest Road Construction Machinery Company Limited is located in the historically rich ancient capital of Xi'an. We are a company dedicated to the development of construction machinery and equipment focused on transportation and municipal projects. Over the years, we have been tirelessly committed to the research, production, and sales of infrastructure construction projects including highways, railways, airports, water conservancy, tunnels, municipal works, and buildings, making us a leading player in the modernization of enterprises. We have an extensive product line, including the JLB-series asphalt mixing plant, JLB-series containerized asphalt mixing plant, ZSLB-series heat regeneration asphalt recycling mixing plant, WCB-series stabilized soil mixing plant, and other asphalt pavement maintenance machinery. These 5 major categories encompass over 10 varieties of road machinery products and supporting equipment. To meet market demands, we are at the forefront of the latest technology and have introduced the newly developed JLB-series containerized asphalt mixing plant. Its unique design features include: the equipment features a container module designed for easy installation and disassembly. It doesn't require a foundation, only compacted soil on the site. No deep excavation or pre-burial is needed, as the equipment can be placed on a compacted or hardened ground surface. The modular design ensures environmental friendliness and efficiency. It effectively controls dust and recycles asphalt fumes, meeting environmental requirements while maintaining a pleasing appearance. The integration of various components into one unit facilitates transportation, storage, and safekeeping, eliminating the risk of loss. The electrical distribution is logically arranged, utilizing quick plug connectors for cables, reducing installation time. It only requires signal collection from designated points, making the operation simple and efficient. Energy-saving measures result in a 30% reduction in overall transportation costs. The use of mechanical cable cranes and manual installation costs are reduced by 80%. Additionally, foundation costs are reduced by 90%. The equipment is easily movable, suitable for various construction projects, and enables quick relocation. Our product design philosophy focuses on efficiency. Installation is completed in 3 days, enabling material discharge in 5 days. This significantly improves the operational efficiency of construction companies and reduces costs. The overall structure of the JLB-series containerized asphalt mixing plant includes the following components: asphalt tank, heavy oil tank, drying drum, dust collector lower container, cold aggregate hoisting system, dust collector upper container, cold aggregate supply system, control room, weighing and mixing system, powder supply system, powder hoisting system, hot aggregate lower container, hot aggregate upper container, vibrating screen, ladder platform, hot aggregate hoisting system, Products of Shaanxi RoadBest are widely used in various fields of infrastructure construction. They provide excellent solutions to projects worldwide, with a comprehensive quality management system and consistent positive feedback from users. We look forward to collaborating with new and old friends from all sectors, working together to achieve mutual success.